we are going to teach you the basics of crochet. We're going to start with a simple slip knot. You can find any yarn for this. I like these hooks from Hobby Lobby. It's my favorite hook to use. I use it for every project. This one's a size, I think it's 5.5 millimeters. So, to start a slip knot, you're just going to take your hook. This is how I do it. I put it behind, just like that. I wrap it over once, wrap it over with the other side, and pull up this bottom loop. You have to have a slip knot to start every single project. Alright, so we'll do that again. We'll do it slower. Take your hook, put it on your yarn like this. Take the free end, wrap it over. Take the end connected to your ball, wrap that over. And take the bottom loop and pull it over your hook. We'll do it one more time. Take your hook, the loose end, and wrap it over. This end, you're gonna wrap it over. And the bottom loop, which came from the first time wrapping it, you'll pull it over, and that you have a slip knot.